Did you know that grapefruit juice is great to cleanse the kidneys? Grapefruits result from a cross between an orange and a pomelo. Have you tried pomelos before? Grapefruit is a great ally to fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Besides, it has other health benefits, such as helping with weight loss, improving the immune system, and aiding in the treatment of diabetes. Also, according to a new study from the UK, grapefruit juice keeps the kidneys healthy. Researchers learned that a flavonoid called narogenin, found in grapefruit, orange, and tomato, can regulate a protein that reduces the growth of kidney cysts that lead to kidney failure. According to an Italian review from 2013, drinking orange juice is associated with 12% fewer chances of developing kidney stones. The researchers believe that the levels of potassium citrate found in oranges and grapefruits prevent calcium crystals from forming in the kidneys. Making a grapefruit juice is very easy. Just squeeze the fruit as you do with oranges. So, did you like learning about this benefit of grapefruits? If you take any long-term medication, talk to your doctor before eating grapefruit. Some studies suggest that citrus fruits, especially grapefruit, can negatively interact with certain medications, like statins, antihistamines, antibiotics, and blood pressure medication. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.